Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the keyboard active and visible. Turn on the keyboard in your phone's input settings, install the app if it's required, and accept permissions so it can show suggestions and clipboard access. If you're using an external Bluetooth keyboard, pair it and verify it types in a quick notes app. If not, switch to the on-screen keyboard and open any text field. Once done, you'll be ready to customize layout and shortcuts to speed up typing immediately. Now customize how you type so every press is efficient. Select the layout that matches your muscle memory, add extra languages, and tune autocorrect strength so it fixes mistakes without mangling proper nouns. Enable swipe or gesture typing if you prefer fluid input. Adjust key press sensitivity and long press characters so you can reach symbols quickly. Create text replacements for frequent phrases and assign modifier behavior for external keyboard. Finish by practicing real tasks. Send a message, edit a document, and use shortcuts to measure speed gains. If keys stop responding or suggestions vanish, first update the keyboard app, clear its cache, and restart your phone. For Bluetooth models, unpair and repair the device. If problems persist, switch temporarily to the system keyboard or reset keyboard settings to default. One key troubleshooting tip. Rebooting often restores permission-driven features and reconnects background services, so try that before deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.